Beasts, gather around. Everybody gather around. Come closer. Beasts, I've called you here today to speak about a very important issue. The birds have crossed the line this time. They demand the jungle to themselves, but this is our home too. It's time to fight for what we believe in. It's time to rise up against the birds. Bat, will you fight for us?
I am a bat. I will not fight for the beasts.
If you will not fight for us, Bat, then the beast will not protect you. I hope you know that when the birds come to take your home, the beast will not be there. Now leave, before these beasts attack you.
Bat. You heard of the coming war. The war, bat.
I am a bat. I will not fight for the birds.
I love living in this jungle. I'm so glad the war got called off.
Tell me about it.
Bat! Bat, what are you doing here? He that is neither this nor that belongs nowhere. There's no place for you at this celebration. Get out.